posterior, if it's the one in the back. If it's the one in the front, you can call it ventral or anterior, so you can decide from between those two. This region here, so basically we're going to cut this area in half relative to the central canal. The portion of this that is posterior, that's going to be the posterior horn. The portion of this that's in the front, that's the anterior, or ventral of course, horn. Now another way that you can decipher which side of this is anterior or posterior is actually using this horn. You can see it clearer here because there aren't pointers in the way, but can you see how this posterior horn actually goes all the way to the edge of the spinal cord? But on the anterior side, we don't see that. So you only see this going all the way to the edge on the posterior side, not the anterior side. That's another way to tell posterior from anterior if you're just given this structure here, like we'll see with the slides. Okay? Alright, so the information that I just covered is also stuff that I will cover again when we go over slides. It's good to point it out like this because I can't actually get the entire structure on the slide at once because the video zooms in too much. So I want to make sure that you guys understand what we're looking at here before I put it up on the screen in a slide form and I can only get a patch of it up there. So, let's see. This kind of goes out of order to my liking, but what we're going to talk about next are the layers that cover the spinal cord. There are 3 layers that cover the nervous system, like important organs.